Borneo's rainforest is unlike any other. More than twice as old as the Amazon, a battle for sunlight over 130 million years has produced the world's tallest tropical trees. Dipterocarps dominate here. Anyone trying to make a life atop these ancient giants must learn the rules of living at extreme heights. Orangutans have no problem navigating the high branches. But take a nap up here, even they could risk a fall. Every mother must show her baby how to build a secure nest. She watches her mum closely. She's a good mimic. Each day, she builds survival skills. And today, her own first nest. Or is it a trampoline? Somebody isn't taking this learning experience very seriously. Single parents seldom get much rest. Mum just wants 5 minutes peace. Maybe she'll settle in Mum's nest for a little nap. No such luck. There's a point to all this play. With each swing, she's becoming more confident, venturing further away from her mother. It's a risky game, but an important one. She needs to learn what kind of branches can carry her weight. It's the only way she will ever be able to navigate the island's high canopy.